So hi everyone, my name is Avner and today we're going to learn day 2 about the data types again. Just a review. If you want to learn more about Python, you could go to my other lesson about day 1. Okay, now let's go to the reviews. So the first one, as you know, strings, their collection of characters need double quotes. So print bracket Avner. Okay. Now, when I run the code, right there. Okay, I'm gonna do this quick. Now, integers, you know what that is. Whole numbers from minus infinity to plus infinity in. Okay, in full short form. So print 1. Okay, they don't need any double quotes. I told you that, right? Now see after 1. Now you know the next one is flow. Okay, so I'm writing 2.2. Can any of you guys guess what it is? Yes, it's going to be 2.2. So they're decimal numbers. They don't need any codes too. See, after 1, 2.2, bullets. Let's go with bullets. You know what they are? They need strings. So true. So this is a bullet. Bool. Okay, see, true. Okay, I just reviewed the data types. Okay. Now let's say I want to find what data type. Like, okay, this is how I do it. Like if it's string or all or whatever. So print bracket, okay. Oh, sorry, yeah. Why is it? Okay, bracket, okay. Now what I do is type. So this is gonna write this is gonna write whatever data type it is. So type, okay, and then I use another bracket to represent it inside. So let's say I now write okay, I'm gonna write 1.5. So 1.5. Okay, how about this? Okay, can I guess the output? No, it's okay. Everyone gets it wrong. We're just trying still. See, it prints flow because this is a flow. Okay, same thing for every single us for booleans, strings, integers. Now let's go to the day 2 about variables. So what is variables first of all? Okay, so variables are things that store containers. So they store containers usually, values, all of those. So let's say I'm writing A equals S. Oh, sorry, I just need, because S is a string, so I need to write S. How about Avner? Avner, okay? I need that because it's a string. I need to do that. Now B equals quotation marks. No, this time 1. Okay? C equals, actually C equals. Okay, I'm gonna write 1.1. Okay, I write print bracket quotation marks. Okay. Now what am I gonna write is, oh sorry, my name is, oh sorry, just need after the noun, right? And I need to write a comma after that quotation mark to stop it. Now Avner. Oh, why did I write that A? But I want to write a period at that because it's a period. You want to make it sensible, understandable. So what I do with my variable here, I write period. Okay, that's what I write. And then I write another comma. And now I'm gonna write I am. Oh, now I need to stop it here. If you're gonna put space, that's gonna do double spaces. The comma represents a space. Okay? Always you need to do that. Okay, so you always need to do that. Now if I comma, yeah, comma. So now I write B, comma, quotation marks. And now I want to write period. So what do I do? Look, if I add this decimal here, okay, let's just put it here. Let's see what it's gonna say. Okay. Let's say I put that here. Okay. Oh, after like you don't need strings for that because that represents as decimal, but just see it. Just wait. Okay, just wait until it. Look. Just see. Now, capital M. Oh, why? My brother, bro. Okay, brother is comma C. Okay. Now when I run the code, it says this 1.0. Yes, that's correct, but I have to write one period. So how do I do that? When I have to dot here and I want to make a one period, I use this as a string. So get that out. Oh, sorry. Now quotation marks. Now I have two strings. Now I want a period again. So what I'm gonna write is this. Yeah, so right there. Now run the code. Look what it says. My name is Abner, period. I am 1, period. My brother is 1.1. But I want to write years old, so I just have to write years old here. No, not here. Yeah. My brother is, I need to write it here. Wait, why is it showing? Okay, it's okay. It just says that. Okay. Oh, did I write period? Yeah. If I wrote period, then you know what? Okay. I wrote period, okay? Now take out this period. This one is an integer, so why am I putting that there? Right? Okay. Okay, now I'm going to use quotation marks. I use double. You can see that error. It's already going to be error for sure. I'm writing years old. Period. Then I have a close quotation marks. Now it's no more error. Okay. My brother is, now I need to write comma, quotation marks. And now what I want to write, he is 1.1 years old. So 1.1, now I'm going to take out this period. If I take out this period, means I need to take the string out too. Now it's going to be flow, 1.1 years old, period. Now when I run the code, can you guys guess it before? Okay, you know it now because well, I already said it. Okay, look, now look what it says. It's correct, right? Because my name is Amr, period. I am years old, period. My brother is 1.1 years old, period. Okay? But here, why is it showing this? I want a space. Okay? This is because here I've made something. Okay? It's correct, but I need to write a comma here to make it more understandable. But yes, you can put that there, but it will be more understandable for the space, okay? So I write the comma. Did I say it represents a space? So yes, I need to put the comma to represent it as it's a space for that period. Now see what it writes? My name is Andrew, period. I'm 1 years old, period. My brother is 1.1 years old, period. And then there's a space after that period. After the second period right here, there's a space after that. So that's why we need that. Let me show you another example of how it. And this is for adding. Let's say I write A. No, because this is going to still read this. Okay? So I have to pick a different variable always. That's why I'm doing this. So I don't want to write A, because it's going to be error. You can't write the same variable. Yes. So I'm gonna write another variable called D. You could add what to just do it. You want to write an appropriate variable. Now I'm gonna write 4. Actually, this much. That's like 4,365. Now E equals, let's say, 4653. Okay, 4,635. Okay. Now I want to add them. What do? I'm going to another variable called F. But there's another way. And that's how you do adding, okay? Okay, I'm going to show you the first way. So D plus E. Did I do in there? Yeah. So print bracket. Oh, I never write print. Oh. Print bracket. Just kidding, bracket F. Okay? We'll see what it says. 9,000. But there's another way of doing this. And this is a shorter way instead, okay? This is like a shorter way. Wait, sorry. So this is a shorter way and it's easy to do. So I can just write here D plus E. Simple. I can just write that. Just look. See? I can just write that instead. Or instead, that's the fastest way of doing it. But the fastest way you could ever do to just add one number without using variables, right? You can just do this. 4 plus 90. And that's what I showed you in my last class, didn't I? See? That's another way of doing it. So if I do Control Z, this will give you it back, okay? And yeah, enter F equals D plus E. Yes, because Python doesn't even understand this number. It doesn't even understand 4 plus 4 if I write F equals 4 plus 4. It doesn't understand that at all. Because it needs to, it's going to do that in binary code when I do the print statement. Because if I'm going to add them, then it would be wrong. But if I want to make them as a string, then it would be right, okay? But the adding numbers. Now, F is here, right? Yeah. Enter. Now, let's write another variable, okay, about my dream. So what's your dream? So let's make an appropriate variable. So I'm going to write my dream. Oh, sorry. Wait, what? My dream. Dream equals, okay? Now, what I want to do, okay? But before that, my dream, I wrote that because it's an appropriate variable, but why here underscore? Because if you write space, it's going to give an error. You need to write underscore. Okay? Yes, I can do that too, but underscore it. Appropriate. Okay? Equals 0 minus, just kidding. Okay. Yeah, let's say I write here 789. It's my dream. Okay? Now let's say I write here a jersey number 89, but it has to be a string. Oh, how about, yes, good one. So my dream is to be a hockey player and soccer player. Period. Okay? Now I know already my dream. Now let me give you the rules for variable, okay? Right. So variables can start with a number. And if you want them to, then you need to write underscore. So that's why I'm writing underscore here, but even though it's not a number. But that's why I'm writing underscore, and variables can't start with a number, right? So you need an underscore for them. Or you can just write 1 and then no space or no underscore and 1, which is 11. My underscore dream, right? Oh, what is happening here? Yes, my dream. Memory error? No. Okay. Yeah, exactly. So it says, my dream is to be a hockey player and a soccer player. So before that, what does a dream mean? It means what you want to do in the future. So that's what it means. Now, example of variable. So we're also going to go to another one, which is inputs, okay? Now, inputs. What are they? Inputs. They are, okay, like asking the user to do something. Let's say you know your age, but you don't know your friend's age. So you ask him, what is your age? That's what an input is. That's one example, okay? So we might go in inputs to this class today or next day. But if we do it today, then tomorrow we might learn operators. So I would like at least three more examples to show you of variables. Then we might go to inputs today, which is good. Okay, for day 2. Now, actually one example. So let's say right here, A equals H. B equals, oh, let me get that out. B equals, yeah, I'll just write Abner. Now C equals A plus B. Rent C. Oh, what? Oh, enter that. So the last class I taught you about concatenation? So this is the same thing. So what is it? You would already know it, okay? But I'm just adding it here. So what's Python thinking right now is H plus Avner. Okay? That's what it's thinking. So this is called concatenation. So it means joining numbers or joining anything. So join this computer and this another computer. Joining 2 computers. That's what concatenating is. And I told you that in the last class. Now let me run it. See? It says H Avner. H Avner. See that? H Avner. Okay? Now we finally were done variables. You know what variables are now. Now how you can do them. So start practicing them so you can get a pro at variables and remember them easily. Okay? Now our next thing is inputs. Now what is inputs? Okay? Oh, I'm just gonna comment this. Actually, I'll tell you what comment is later. Okay, so comment is like, let's say, doing a note. Hashtag is to comment. So if I go into here, I'm gonna comment. Or slash. Okay, so shift 3 is a do comment, and that's hashtag. Okay, so review of data types. This is what? Okay. Oh, this is not a review of data types. Variables. Very for short form. Variables. Now, yeah, here. Inputs. Now, I'm going write A equals, now I want to write integer, I write int, and two brackets at the end, as you can see here. As you can see right here, bracket. So as you can see, two brackets there is for the integer and float. Okay? But if I just want to do string, I don't need no integer, I don't need this. I just need the input into your number, and I just need one bracket, which is this, and I don't need that. What is that? Input, bracket, enter a number. Now I'm going to put a colon here to make it more understandable, okay? So to make it more understandable, I write a colon there. Now I write yes. B. So, oh my god, it won't let me do it. You know what? I'll just copy it. Didn't I tell you what copying is? It's just gonna save your time. Okay? I know, I'm trying to copy. They're like, how can you copy it? But it won't let me. Enter another number. Okay? Oh, sorry, and I said, you can't have the same variables, okay? Now, C equals, yeah, A plus C. So this is how I add them. Print C. Okay? So this is an input into any number. Okay, let's say 4, 5, 6. Oh, 0. See? It gave me the sum. Okay? So it gave me the sum. Now I'll give you another one, but a string this time. So using concatenation. So control E and V. Or right there. It's I space enter. Yeah, I can't have the same variable. So right here, E. Oh my god. Get that out, and I'm gonna write here F. Actually R, because it doesn't even matter. Now, didn't I say I need to take out int and no more brackets, no brackets, none of these. What? Nothing. There's no error. Okay? I'll just write there because you can write anything I want to just save my time. Okay? Now, yes, so F, do I already have a variable called F? No. F equals R plus E. Enter. Print F. Oh, enter a number. Oh, that's the one. So enter a number. I'm gonna write. Okay. Yeah, because I wrote input, so I'm just gonna write whatever. Now here you can just write anything. I'm just writing something random. See, it concatenated them. So this is another way of adding, as we told you in the first class, and concatenating them. So you can see that right there. Okay? Oh, what? Yeah. So, okay. We did a 24-line code. That's good. Okay? Let me show you one more example. And you can do this way of using variables. Okay? So this is a variable, right? You can make all of these as input and write this. So what I mean is make A as that input, make this B as an input, And when you like ready, you can store the variables because that's a variable, yes. Okay? Now let's say I want to write, okay, this time let's go to the back of my dream. Back to my dream, okay? So if I go back here, oh, I can't do that, so I have to make another variable called dream. Control C, whatever. Control V, dream, okay? Equals input, bracket, quotation marks, enter your dream. Oh, why did I say dream? Dream. Okay, now print my dream is to be a whatever dream, okay? And this is the last one. So where do you go? Run? Okay, whatever. Sorry. Whatever. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, enter your dream. Soccer and hockey. Oh, hockey. Enter. My dream is to be a soccer and hockey. I know that doesn't make sense. Okay. So thank you, okay, for listening to my Python class of day 2. We learned two things, which are variables and input. So you can watch my day 2 again if you want and practice more on that so you can be a good pro, a professional at the data types, variables, and inputs. All of those three things for day 2. And I'll see you tomorrow at day 3. We're going to learn about operators, okay? So bye, and I'll see you and have a wonderful and great day. Bye.